You live in the Zillmere area of Brisbane and are trying to find that perfect clothesline or wash line for your home? Lifestyle Clotheslines can help. We service a complete Zillmere area and offer a supply-only service if you're just looking for delivery of a new clothesline to your home, or supply and installation if you need the assistance of a qualified clothesline installer to help with the setup and installation of a new clothesline in your home. Removal of an old or damaged clothesline is also available throughout the Zillmere area, as well as a restringing and rewiring service for old clotheslines that need new cord or galvanised wire installed.
Hi, I'm Bob. I'm here with my Astral Analyne 35 clothesline, just recently purchased from Lifestyle Clotheslines online. Easy to follow instructions to assemble and erect. We've chosen woodland grey colour, it blends in nicely, and we've also chosen the bolt fixings direct to the concrete. So, it's all finished, ready to go, ready to do the first load of washing.
I bought this Hills ironing board from Lifestyle Clotheslines online. My old one finally gave way and this one came. I ordered it. It was delivered really quickly. I'm really happy with it. I like it's very lightweight and easy to move and to fold up. And, I love the cover on it. It presses all the way through the clothes. The service was fantastic from Lifestyle Clotheslines, and I couldn't recommend them more highly.
For any further information, tips or advice on finding the perfect clothesline for your Zillmere home, please feel free to contact us today or visit us online at lifestyleclotheslines.com.au.